Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to Crown Tech Online Digital Class. Now, today we are going to be talking about domain and hosting and where can we buy domain and hosting. So, before we proceed, what is domain and what is hosting? Hosting is just like a server where we keep our file, that is, where our website is being saved. And domain is just the name you wish to use for your website. Like Naija Loaded is what is a domain. Any name you wish to use is what is your domain. While the hosting is where your server, your database is being saved. Everything about your website is being saved. Now, where do we buy domain and hosting? Now, there are a lot of domain and hosting platforms. We have local one and we have international one. Now, I'm going to be showing you how you can get it, how you can get these local ones and the international one. But before I proceed, there are two methods in which we can get domain and hosting. Now, the first method is by buying domain and hosting from the same platform, as in from the same company. And the second method is buying them from different company. That is, buying hosting from a different company, buying domain from a different company. But it's very, very much preferable that we buy the two of them at the same place. I say yes, it's very, very preferable that we buy hosting and domain at the same place. Reason mean that when there's any issue, you know where to work, you know where to fall back to. But let's say you buy domain from different platform and you buy hosting from another platform. When there's an issue, you won't know the main one that has issue, so you'll be checking the two. But if you have bought from the same platform, you just go directly to them and message them. Now, the first local hosting I'll be showing you and I'll be showing you today, and is the one I'm using, is what we call affixedhost.com. I'm going to send the link alongside this video. We have Affixedhost, we have Namecheap.com. Namecheap is an international website. It's an international hosting website and is the number one, that is the most preferable. While Affixedhost is also a local website, it's a Nigeria hosting website. We have DomainKing.ng, we have Ugo and we have a lot of them. But I'm going to be using just two or three as an example on how to buy it. Now, let's go to affixedhost.com. Now, this is the platform of affixedhost.com. Can you see? Web hosting in Nigeria. Now, they have the cheapest hosting plan. Can you see? Now, for this example, now the starter plan, we have 3,500 per year, and we have 1 gig SSD storage, 40 gig bandwidth, and it will come with one free .com.ng domain. That is, when you register for this hosting plan, they are going to give you a free domain, that is .com.ng, for free. But if you don't want it, you can now buy your own domain. Maybe you don't like .com.ng, you can buy .com. And meanwhile, .com.ng is what we call extension in website. So every domain has an extension. .com is an extension, .gov is an extension, .com.ng is also an extension. Now, we have a free website builder, and it says for two websites. That is, under this plan, you can you can design two websites under it. For example, now, if you collect a work from two clients, you can just buy this and use only this 3,500 for the two of them. Just that it will come with only one free domain, but you can buy different domain for the two of them. Can you see that is very, very good? Now, this 5,000 one, it has 2 gig, and it also have one free .com.ng, and you can host it. You can host 3 websites under it. Can you see? So that's the feature of everything. Now, before any other thing, you need to what? You need to sign up. You need to sign up. There. Let me see where the sign up button is. You need to sign up. Now, because we are using phone, we need to change this thing. Let's come to this upper place that has 3 dots on our Google Chrome. Let me show you. I mean this part. Now, let's click on it. When we click on it, then we scroll down, click on desktop sites. Let's click on desktop site. Let's click on desktop site. Now this is what we are having. Now we look for where to what? We look for where to sign up. So look for where to, just click on this client area. Click on client area. Can you see it has logged me in just because I have registered before? But if you have not registered before, let me just walk you through how to register. Let me log out. Can you see? I'll click on my name, hello Imosemi. Then I'll what? Click on log out. It will log out. Then you can be able to sign up then. Now can you see? Can you see? Create new account. Now let's click on create new. I'm not creating any account, but just want to show you. I want to show you how it works. Can you see? First name, last name, your email address. Very, very important. You must put your correct email address, the one that you can be receiving message from, because when you buy hosting and domain from them and they set everything up, they are going to send your cPanel login and password to your email address. So it's very, very important. And the phone number, billing address. If you have a company, it's optional. Your street address, just put your normal this thing. Additional info, that is where do you hear about all those things. Now security, your password. Then you what? Click on this, all this security question. Then you register. After you register, you are going to be sent an email will be sent to you. You understand? So an email will be sent to you. Now let me log in. Already registered. Let me log in. Because I've already registered, let me log in so that we'll continue what we are doing. Can you see my what? My email address is the one I used. Can you see? Is the one I used to log in. Now let's continue. Now after you have successfully logged in, now what? We want to what? We want to buy web hosting. Now you click on these three menu option. Now come to this place, other hosting. Click on web hosting. I hope you are all following. Now when you click on web hosting, it will now walk you around. It will walk you around. You see, because of service, that's why it's bringing. Let me refresh it. Service is very bad. Let's do it like this. Let's go back and click it again. I don't know, it's because of the service. Other hosting. Click on web hosting. But don't worry, just after you have clicked on web hosting, just click on this first one. Sorry, this web hosting. Click on web hosting. Now can you see? And this one show. Now this is all the web hosting we have. Now this all the plan from 35 to what 30,000 per year. So it depends on what, on the one you want. So I already told you that it ranges from 2 websites and upward to unlimited website. So it's very, very okay. If you are someone that yeah, you have a lot of clients, they used to give you work, you can just go for the unlimited. When you go for the unlimited website, you can use that to design unlimited website. That host alone can be using it to host a lot of websites, and you'll be collecting money for new hosting and domain from them, and that will be your own word, that will be your own game. Now let's dive into action. Now we are going to click on this one. We want to choose the starter one. Click on what? We click on buy now. Now see what they tell us. You say we don't tolerate any form of phishing, spamming on Bitcoin sites. That means you cannot, anything you are doing on this website, any website you want to design under them, you want to develop under them, it must not be a spamming website. You understand? It must be a straightforward website. So now we want to register. First thing they ask us is what? To choose a domain name. And you know they have given us a free domain.com.ng. Now if the domain you want to use is what .com.ng, that means you are not going to pay for it. But if you want to choose another one, you are going to what? Pay for it. Now let's search for one domain. Let's say Crown Tech. Maybe it will be available. Crown Tech. Crown Tech. Now they have already put the extension .com.ng. Crown Tech. Let's check. Checking. Now congratulations, crowntech.com.ng is what? Is available. And the price is what? Continue to register domain for what? For 1.5. They just put it like that, but they are not going to what? Collect money for it, because they say it's what? It is free. But if you choose any other extension like .com or .ng or .gov, they are going to put the price, and when you check out they are going to add it with that 3.5 you are paying with the hosting. Hope I'm getting myself clear now. But if you choose to use their free.com.ng that they give you, they will not collect money from you. It is only that 3.5 you are going to pay. Then after a year you now start buying your what? Buying your domain. But for the first year you want to register with them, they will give you a free.com.ng. Hope I'm clear with that now. So let's click on continue. Can you see now? After continue, these are our plan. Data 1 gig. Can you see? Don't forget you can host two websites on that. Now for the second domain you need to buy a domain. Just the only first one that is what? That is free. Now click on none. This one you don't need it. Then click what? Click on continue. You don't need all this. Click on continue. Can you see? Now for the domain, just click on this DNS management. Check it. Oh. Now just what? Click on it. I need to change it to normal mode from desktop mode, so that's why I was able to click on it. Now what? Click on continue. Now let's see. Can you see? Domain registration. crowntech.com.ng. How much? 0 naira. Renewal 1,000. No, the price of the domain is 1,500, but because you are registering for the first time, they give you that as a bonus or as a promo. That's why the price is 0 naira. Can you see what I'm saying? But if you are registering another extension like .com, they will not give you that for free. The money will be here. They will not add it together. And that's what I was explaining. Can you see? If they give you a promo code, you can add it. But if they do not give you promo code, check out. Now when you click on checkout, what do you have? Now because I have logged in before, can you see? Say choose an account. Now when you have, that is why I say you should log in first. That is first thing. Now it will check your account, the one you register. If you have two accounts, it asks you to choose anyone. Now can you see? Which one do you want to pay with? We have bank deposit, Flutterwave, Paystack. If you choose Paystack or Flutterwave, that means you'll be able to pay. Now I have read and this thing, complete order. But mind, if you have not registered before, it will now ask you to register. Or if you have registered and you have not logged in before, it will ask for your details. So better you register and log in before you start performing all this, so that it will be easier for you when you get to this section. I'm not going to pay because I'm not buying anything. Just want to show you how to what. Can you see? Now if you have to pay with bank. Now if your bank is among all this, just choose pay with bank. But if your bank is not among, just come to what? Change payment method. Pay with card. Shey you understand? Now click on pay with card. Enter your card details, pay. Now it will send OTP. When you enter the OTP and everything is successful, it will tell you successful. It will now take you back to that website that it has been successful. Immediately message will be sent to your email that your your hosting has been bought successfully, it has been purchased successful. Then your details, your cPanel details, that is your control panel details. We are still going to talk about what is control panel, what is cPanel. Your cPanel details will be sent to you. So that is how we can buy domain and hosting from from afeasthost.com. Now let's now go to Namecheap. Let's go to Namecheap. That I told you, Namecheap is an international hosting platform. Now let's go to Namecheap. Namecheap.com. Can you see? Now I told us that we should change to desktop mode. Let's change to desktop mode because we are using phone. But if you are using laptop, you don't have any issue. Can you see? Now let's click on this account. Now don't worry, don't even worry. At the upper side here, we have contact us, sign in, sign up. Now let's sign up. Told you that's first thing. Just sign up or sign in when you have registered. Can you see? This is how you will sign in for this one. The username you want to be using, your password, first name, second name, email. That's all. Create and what? And continue. Now let me log in. Create an account. Yeah, log in. So I want to log in with my username. Can you see? Then what? Sign in and continue. Sign in and continue. So let's wait for it to load. Then I'll walk us around how we can also buy domain and hosting from them. Now, mind you, this Namecheap is an international website, so no free.com.ng. They don't even have .com.ng in their extension. They only have .com and others. So they don't have .com.ng at all. Why is it slow like this? This service, eh? Can you see? Can you see? Because of the service, this is where it brought me, but I need to click on this sign in again. Let me sign in again. I don't know. The service is very bad. Now it said phone contact. Okay, this is my phone contact. It said I should confirm it. I'll just click on it. Can you see the the three last digit of my number? So I'll check it, then proceed with login. They will tell me they will send OTP now. You see that they will send OTP just to confirm that I'm the owner of what? I'm the owner of that website, of that account that I want to use under them. 657 599. Submit security code. Can you see now? Can you see? It's very, very simple. They just want to confirm if I'm the owner of what. Can you see my name? Daniel 1997. This place is what? The money you have, as in, maybe if you are working for them, maybe the money you have, but that doesn't really matter. Now, can you see all this one? Top up balance. Maybe you want to add money, so you can add money safe. So that's not what we want to do. Now let's go to hosting. Now we have what? Domain list hosting. Now let's click on hosting. It's loading. Okay, say we don't have any hosting. Let's come to dashboard. No, this is not what we need. Okay, click on. Can you see? We'll click on this hosting. Click on this hosting. So we have what? Online beginner. That is, you just want to start small business. Maybe if you just want to host just a little website, maybe entertainment website that will not take a lot of space, and you are just starting, you can just what? Click on what? On that. Let's click on view plan. Our service is fucking up. Now can you see the service has come up, it has come up, but we are going to stop here now, then continue in the next video. So this is how we are going to watch, this is how we are this the place we are going to watch buy our hosting from. Now let's stop here and we'll continue in the next video.